I'm really excited. I can't wait to use these products. But first, you know I gotta take a shower because your boy just came from the gym. Gotta freshen up, gotta wash this a little bit, and then we're gonna come out here and we're gonna use these products. But I'll tell you what, I did open it and it smells good. So I love this right here. It's like a little squeezer right here and it's like gold. This is really fire. So let's take a quick shower. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Shower done. Now, time for the transformation. Let's go. What up? Listen, I'm really excited. My homegirl Janiel, she started her business. It's called the BEARD BAR LLC. You know, I had to get my beard in order. So this is the pre-beard bar, right? A little rough right now, just came from the gym. Need a cut, but it's all good. So my products came in an envelope like this. I got the beard oil and she sent me a sample. So let me show you what's inside. Okay, so here's what's in my package. Kind of opened it already, but got my invoice, right? I got a little note. Hey Damo, thank you for supporting me. I included a sample of my beard balm. Bomb it. I love that. Hope you enjoy your products. The Beard Bar. That's cool. Bomb it. I love that. Janiel, you got jokes. Oh, wow. Man, this is what's up. This looks like a bottle of gold right here. There it is right here. Beard growth oil. So that means I get to hit all of them spots right there. I put that beard oil on there. Hit this spot right here. You know, I got a little gap right here. My shit a little patchy right now. You know what I'm saying? I got them little spots right there on the side of my beard. Let's see what's up. Okay. Oh, we got a little squeezy thing right here. This is the sample of the balm. Okay. And I got some cards. So I got a thank you note. And I got a thank you card. So thank you for your support, Beard Bar. And she gave me directions on here, which is really cool. And I got some business cards. So a welcome gift for you, $5 off, value on purchase. Okay. Okay. So you trying to get me to come back, huh? Okay. I got you. All right. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to use these products. But first, you know I got to take a shower because your boy just came from the gym. Got to freshen up. Got to wash this a little bit. And then we're going to come out here and we're going to use these products. But I'll tell you what, I did open it and it smells good. So I love this right here. It's like a little squeezer right here and it's like gold. This is really fire. So let's take a quick shower. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Unfortunately, I can't show you this because Felicia will go crazy, but another time. So give me a couple of minutes, I'll be right back. Peace. Shower done. Now, time for the transformation. Let's go. So it says, place 2 to 3 drops or as many as desired directly into your beard on the palms. Yeah, I'm the kind of guy that read the instructions. You know what? While I'm reading these instructions, I want to share a quick message with y'all. It's important that you support your brothers and sisters when they start their business, right? So me and Janiel will go way back. We used to work together at Applebee's, way back. So to see her transition from going from 9 to 5 employee mindset
to eventually go start a business, to like go get physical products. I mean, look at this. Look at this right here. This was something she manifested. This was something that was in her head. And it was probably there for a very long time. But something snapped. Something snapped in Janiel, and it made her take action. So Janiel, I know you're going to be watching this. My question for you is, what snapped that made you go take action and bring this to life? And how long has this idea been on your mind? I want to know that. Let me know that. How long has that idea been on your mind? Because I don't know if you noticed, you manifested this. The definition of manifest is make clear or visible to the eye or to the mind, right? So you brought this to the eye from the mind, but you had to see it with the mind's eye. I know I'm going too deep for y'all. But I'm really excited. I'm really excited because I've known Janiel for a very long time. I mean, there was a point when Janiel used to make me do a lot of talking. She used to make me talk. So to see her on this journey, you know, building a business that she's going to be able to leave for her daughter, to me, that process right there, that transition right there, that's what I support. You get what I'm saying? Because when you look at the products, right? My wife and her cousin, they have a hair care line, and they do beard oil, right? And you know, I kind of said I'm not going to use nobody's beard oil because my wife has beard oil, right? I have unlimited supply of beard oil at home. But it's not about the beard oil. It's about supporting the person, because the person actually is fighting for something, right? The person is fighting for something, and then they take their energy and they put their energy in the product. So what makes this product different than any other product? It's Janiel. And Janiel, I am super proud of you. So look, enough talking. Let's get on with this right here, right? Let's use this product right here. Let's get it. So let me fix this up real quick so y'all can see what it is. So open this up right here, right? I can see. Boom. I fill it up. And I got a lot. This bottle is pretty big too. I'm looking at this bottle right now. This bottle is pretty solid. This bottle is the, I think this is a 2-ounce bottle. So I would love to see what the 4-ounce bottle look like. See? This is the 2-ounce bottle. So and this shit is full. So imagine what the 4-ounce bottle look like. And then I got the bomb oil too. I don't even know how to use that joint, but I'm gonna use the crap out of that. Yo, this joint smells good. I don't know what smell that is. But I'll let you know how, once I go hug my girls and I go hug my kids, based on what they say to me, I'll let you know. But I like how it rubs in. I like how it goes on the hand. Okay. I rub that in. Got a little bit right there. Now it's time to comb it up, massage it in, and then give y'all the finished look. So hold on 1 second. I gotta go get my comb out the shower. Hold on. My favorite comb right here. I got this comb from my brother. All the way from New York City. How we looking? I know it's my first day using it today, because I just opened my package today. But so far, I must say I like it. I like the product. I like how it feels on my hand. It's not too greasy. You know, sometimes you get like things on your hand and you gotta just put it all on a towel. It's mad greasy. I like that. It goes on very light on the beard. It has a unique smell to it where I don't smell like Bed Bath and Beyond. Like, you know how like those womany stores smell? You know, I don't smell like that, but I don't smell like just a lot of cologne, but I do smell a little bit of masculinity in there. I don't know what that is. I don't know if you put masculinity in there, but I do smell a little bit of that in there. So now I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna hug the girls. And then, what's this right here? This balm. Yo, Janiel, you gotta let me know how to use this Balm It. Hope you enjoyed. You gotta let me know how to use this Balm It right here, because you're gonna give me the instructions for this. So let me know how to use this Balm It right here. So listen, there you go. So babe, I need you to smell my beard.
Smell your beard?
Yeah, smell my beard. Tell me how it smells. Don't say nothing, just smell it. MJ, smell my beard. Aaliyah, smell my beard. How it smells?
Good.
How it smells?
Good.
How my beard smells?
Manly.
My beard smells good and it smells manly. Janiel, you get a pass. Thank you for the product. I appreciate the beard oil. Listen, how's your beard doing, man? Go get your beard fixed up. One more time. The Beard Bar. How's your beard doing? Right? Y'all know. Support your girl, Janiel. Support. Listen. Gets the pass. Gets the approval. Janiel, congratulations. You're doing a great job. Proud of you. See you later.